Quarterfinal 4, match number 1. The Dragons almost scoring in that hot goal. 701 RoboVikes scored. And looks like the Clockwork Oranges did not manage to score. A single point put in there by the Daedalus Project as we move to driver control. Everyone's jockeying for that center position. One Blue Alliance ball is being held by 980, the Thunderbots. And Daedalus Project losing the ball from the human player. And now almost in. Yes, it is. Robot's name is Lilo. They won the Imagery Award here yesterday, in addition to the 4 they had won previously. Ball now at the bottom of their robot, going to pass to 1828, the Boxer Bots. Once there they go. 1828 Boxer Bots, the robot not bad. Dropping it off into the red zone for 2 assists. 701 RoboVikes pick it up, being chased by 980, but they're going to aim to shoot. Over on the Blue Alliance side, it's the Clockwork Oranges and the Dragons trying to pick up that ball. Dragons moving that ball further backwards, unfortunately, with 3 full assists. 701 drops it down into the low one-pointer. Clockwork Oranges holding on to that ball, looking to go high. They do! They manage to score with 2 assists on that ball. Daedalus Project collecting the next ball, moving into the center zone. 1 minute left on the clock. Center zone passing it off to Boxer Bots from Vale. One of our few out-of-state teams here at the Inland Empire Regional. They're barely holding on to that ball. They try to go over the truss. They do! Now waiting for 701 to take care of the last of it. Meanwhile, on the Blue Alliance side, Daedalus Project fighting it out with the Clockwork Oranges. Loose ball on the Red Alliance side with 2 assists. 701 still trying to get to the ball. Boxer Bot playing some counter defense against the Dragons as we're down to the last 30 seconds. Clockwork Oranges managing to score it in. Looks like the Daedalus Project got a connection knocked loose as 701 scores a full assist ball in. We're down to 15 seconds now. Daedalus Project back in action. Gets a ball from the human player looking to pass it off. With 7 seconds left on the clock, Blue Alliance nearly accidentally scoring on the Red Alliance side. 2 seconds now. Time is up.
Okay, put your hands up in the air, your hand in the air. On, everybody sing.
All right, here comes the scores for quarterfinal 4. With no penalties, the final score, 133 red, 44 blue.
Woohoo! Now we're going to bring back Crazy Nick to entertain you.